Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Randall M. Rueff reporting, Saturday, December 1st, 2018 AD. These are my compression garments for my legs, which hopefully I'm not going to need anymore because I got compression socks that go from the feet to the just below my knee. So I don't think I'm going to need these anymore, thankfully. But I'm definitely going to keep them just in case. Mom said she wanted to wash them, so what I'm going to do here is, before you wash them, you got to take off these velcro thingies. There's 4 in each one. I will say, for such a little, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it, yeah, you can kind of see it. For being such a very tiny, Velcro is very good. They're very, I mean, they're not perfect, but they're pretty good. This hasn't been washed since I bought it. And even though I'm probably not going to wear it anymore, it's not bad to have it washed. So here's the, as you can see, there's a little bit of stuff stuck in them, but not too much stuff on here. You can see there's a little bit of, but overall there's not very much that's actually sticking to it. There, so that's the plastic part, and this is like the material that you. So that is the unvelcroing, if you will. Those are going to be washed. These are going to be put in storage, and we'll go from there. So far, the compression socks that go from my feet to my just below my knee are working very good. They're very tight, very snug, and they're doing their job. So hopefully I'm not going to need those anymore. So until next time, I'm Randall M. Rueff. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and may God bless you. Bye.